Today I wanted to get on and make a quick video talking about a new affiliate program called the multi-income funnel. Basically, it's a affiliate system, an automated affiliate system that has 4 income streams that people are crushing it on right now. So anyway, this video, I want to show you or just demonstrate how easy it is to promote this funnel using a free opportunity. Now, there's a lot of people who don't know where to start. They don't know how to promote. They don't know where to start, what to do next, or whatever, if they do get into a program like this. And I just want to start off by saying there's 2 ways to promote any affiliate offer, and you have the free way and you have the paid way. The free way covers your MySpaces. Wait, hold on. MySpace is all I know. Your Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook, any social media, your blogs, your forums, and other things like that. Those are all free methods. Oh, and also, which I'm going to show you, is the traffic exchanges, which is free also. So that's what I want to show you. And then the other way that you can promote your affiliate offer is using solo ads like Udemy, or the 4th income stream that's part of the multi-income funnel, which is Traffic Authority, which has superb quality traffic. You have solo ad vendors, but that's paid traffic, right? But I want to show you how easy it is to use a system called, it's a free traffic exchange called Herculist Plus. Now, Herculist Plus has been around for a long time, and actually, if you click the link below, you'll get a $5 sign-up bonus. I'll leave the link in the description box below. Currently, there's over 117,000 members, so just imagine you sending out one of your affiliate opportunities to over 117,000 people with one click. Well, you can do it, and it's free, right? It's a traffic exchange. There's a caveat there where typically to get enough credits to do different things within free traffic exchanges, you have to open emails that come to you, or look at posts for some certain amount of time or whatever. But with Herculist, there's opportunities like you pay $30 or something one time, or $40 one time, and you never have to pay again, but you also don't have to buy credits and do credit stuff like that. But that's just a different opportunity. But we're talking about how we can do it for free, how we can promote your opportunity for free. And that's what I want to show you. So anyway, scrolling down the page here, you see that it's 100% safe opt-in list. Why? Because these are opportunity seekers, okay? Now, here's just a warning. If you choose to sign up with any traffic exchange, you need to just make an email address that is not your primary email address, because they will blow you up. You will get thousands and thousands of emails coming to you, right? Because that's part of it. But I do tell you that, like this says here, it's 100% real traffic, which means people are actually opening up those emails and clicking the link and looking at it. And odds are, if they're in business to find a new business, they'll opt into your list, and you'll get another lead. Now, the reason why I tell you this, I use a traffic exchange, is because it's super simple, it's super easy, and it's free, okay? And why not just have a free method? I'm not going to spend all day clicking through credits or clicking through pages and stuff like that. I'm not going to do that, but I will use it to my advantage and send out one email every 24 hours for free, just to get more eyeballs on my offer. And another reason why I want to show you why I use this, and I have used it for a while, is back to my multi-income stream funnel here, where I think I'm still logged in. This is the back office, and like I said, there's multiple income streams. I just want to show you. So I signed up on December 23rd, and I know it's January or February already, but the point of the story is I signed up on December 23rd, right? I sent my first email. Let me log back in. As soon as I signed up, I went and did a Herculist email blast, okay? And I did that on, let's say, the 24th, okay? And I tagged it with this. And then I sent it, and I got a sign up on the 25th, which is amazing. So somebody was looking for a new opportunity that day, you know what I'm saying? And they happened to stumble across my email out of 117,000 or how many it ever was that day, because it's always increasing. But anyway, I just want to show you how easy it is. So what you do is you sign up and you log in, and I'm already a member, so I'm gonna click login, and you go into the Herculist back office, and when you come in here, you just click members. And of course, you're going to see all of these different advertisements and posts, because that's what a traffic exchange is. You get so many credits or points for viewing other people's ads, right? Which, like I said, if you're smart about it, you'll get just the gold membership and you'll never have to worry about that again. You know what I'm saying? Then all you can do is log in every day, send out one email to 117,000 people, and then close down the program. But you get lifetime access for $49. So, I mean, why not? You know, it's a one-time fee. I own it for the rest of my life. I can just get in here and drop an email and be done with it. But like I said, always make a throwaway. When you log in and create your account, you just create it with a, I call it a throwaway email, something that you don't care, that's just going to get blown up with all kinds of advertisements, okay? So then, anyway, I'm in here. You go to your ad mailers. And then after that comes in, of course, you see another ad, right? Then you click continue to add mailers. Now, here's just gives you the rules about what you can do and what you can't do using this free once a day emailer. Like I said, there's over 117,000 members that it can reach today. And it says that I'm able to submit one every 24 hours. The last time I submitted an email mailer was on January 31st, which was yesterday. And I can email it again. Now, I have the opportunity to send just the generic free emailer, or I can use credits that I have, and it's 500 credits for every one member, right? Oh, so no, it's 500 credits minimum. One member is reached for every 2 credits. So with 500, you divide that by 2. So that's with 500 credits, I can hit 250 people. But see, I use these credits for different things. So, but what I'm going to show you is the freeway, which is over here, the regular mailer. Now there's a difference between the two, and I'll let you read into that. But as a gold member, you can send a daily email to all members with this mailer. No credits required. Additional ads can be submitted with this mailer if you choose so. You can purchase. Use the credit mailer to submit ads with credits that you have accumulated. So I can send one email to 117,000, or I can choose to use some credits, and for every 2 credits, I can send it to one person here. But so we're gonna do the free method, like I said, and as you can see, you can do plain text because you're free. But as a gold member, you can do HTML text. But anyway. But the feature that I like here is that you can go to resubmit previous ads. And of course, you see another ad here, right? And it'll take me to my history and show me what I've sent out over the past 7 days. And what I normally do is I go through a list of emails, and then I just come back through and cycle it again. So 19, 20, 21. Then I got busy doing some other things, so I missed 6 days, and I jumped back on 27, 28, 29, and I missed the 30th and 31st. So I've been sending out these same emails over and over again, and I just choose to do that. So the last time I sent this one was here, so I'll start with this one here, check open, and I'll just hit this here, resubmit ad, and as you can see, it populates this, it populates my link, it populates my email, my name, and then it hyperlinks my affiliate link here. And all I have to do, let me close this. All I have to do, since all of this is still in here from last time, all I would have to do is hit the submit button, and it spins, right? So I hit the submit button. And it's spinning, it's spinning. But this is an excellent way that you can just promote your affiliate link for free without costing you a dime. And it is actually an affiliate program. And like I said, you can get a $5 sign up bonus if you click the link below. So it takes me to an ad, which I don't have to see, right? And it won't close, but anyway. But it says here, ad successfully submitted to 117,000 members. So I can go back to mailer. I'll just take you back there because I want to show you what it looks like after you send. And now you have a timer that says, I have 5 hours till I can send my next email. And the reason why it says 5 hours is because I'm doing this at 6:41 p.m. So 5 hours from now, it'll be like midnight, right? Which will start over a brand new day. And I can do it like at 1 a.m. if I wanted to, right? But yeah, as you can see, it's sent. And here's my timer. It went out to 117,000 people. And that's it. That was quick, right? That was quick and easy, and it was free. So if you're interested in using a traffic exchange to promote your multi-income funnel or any other affiliate program, I'll leave the link in the description box below. Check it out. Also, if you sign up now, you'll get that $5 sign-up bonus, which I guess you can use towards your your gold membership purchase or whatever. So, but anyway, that's all I got. Once again, we just went over the how to promote your multi-income stream funnel for free using a free traffic exchange that you can send out one email every 24 hours to a list of opportunity seekers. As I showed you, you can get opt-ins and you can get sign-ups. Well, that's all I got for now. Like, share, subscribe, comment in the comment section. Thanks for hanging out. I'm out.